This is just a quick primer on the fact that all potting soils are not created equal. I put these two garden beds together at the same time. Each of them has 4 cubic feet of topsoil on the bottom, layered on top are 2 bags of potting soil and a half a bag of mushroom castings. And you can see this bed I use Miracle Grow, and the plants in this are doing much better than the store brand of fertilized potting soil from Lowe's. You can see the lettuce it's all doing good, but not nearly as well as the Miracle Grow side. I don't have any Malabar, but I have a different type of leaf spinach. All these were planted at the same time, so you can see the lettuce there and lettuce there. And there's a definite difference. Miracle Grow is definitely bigger, and this ad was approved by Sparky.